Hey guys, and welcome back. It's your girl Rye, and today we're unboxing my ipsy. So if you guys don't know what ipsy is, it is a subscription you get every month. They match your beauty. You take a beauty profile, and it matches what you like to your beauty profile. So there is a $12 one, there's a $25 one, and then there is a $50 one. I get the $50 one. When you guys first see me, I got the $12 one. But now that I like makeup and I'm getting more into it, I got the $50 one. So I opened it, but I don't know what's inside. I waited for you guys because I'm super excited. So let's just jump right in, okay? By the way, this is not sponsored. I buy everything from ipsy myself. It's not sponsored, but ipsy, if you see this, I love your products. And I love to see what I get every month. Alright guys, so I got 2 add-ons, so we're going to save that, and we're going to save the bag to last because that's kind of like a little surprise. Alright, so first thing we got, this first thing I pulled out was Coconut Water Restoring Mist. Ooh. Coconut, I heard, is really good for your face, so I'm excited about that. Next thing we got is facial lotion, vitamin C in it. See how it smells. It smells good. And look guys, I like the little squeezy tube and the little things that you can just blot in your face. I would try it, but I already have my makeup done. Alright, next thing we got, oh, I didn't even know. Oh, what's this? Okay, we got an eyeliner, a dual eyeliner. Let's pull this baby out. Guys, look at this. Ooh, look at that point, guys. Sorry. Look at that point. Yeah, so that's one side. Let's see the other side. Okay, I could live with this. I'm so excited. I love eyeliners. Look at that. It's so pretty. All right. Ooh, mascara. I don't know what this is. I think this is for your brows. Yes, it is. I'm so excited, guys. I've been dying to open this bag. As soon as I got it today, I was like, oh, that's it. Video's going out. I have to show you guys. We have to unbox it. Ooh, we got some brushes. Yes. Look at these brushes. Yes. Let's see what else. What's this? Ooh, blush. Look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. I don't really use blush, but I'm gonna start experimenting with blush more because now I know more about makeup. Badass Mofo. Let's open it up. Ooh, look at this lipstick. Ooh, I love lipsticks. Look at this color. Let's just do a little swatch. Ooh, guys. Can you see that? Ooh, that looks so pretty. Yes, I'm excited about trying this on. So guys, if you guys want to see a video of me putting everything I got from July's ipsy bag on my face, comment below yes you want to see it or no you don't, because I would love to do a video of just me doing a makeup look on my face with all these products I got. So let me know in the comments below. What's this? This is Nourishing Cream Gel. Okay, I can live with that. Pore Tightening Clay Mask. I can't read, I'm sorry. Guys, I needed primer. Oh, look at this pretty color primer. I'm sorry, I have to open everything up like a child. Yes, guys, I needed primer. And I was hoping I'd get primer because I'm low on primer. Ooh, so last but not least is a palette. Look how cool this is. Like, really? Ooh, it looks like a license plate. All right, let's see if I can open it up. Ready? Sometimes I can't open things up right. So, ugh. Ugh, there we go. Oh, you guys see those colors? Look how beautiful. What? And the mirror says, objects may be beautiful than they appear. Yes, you guys all are beautiful. Look at this beautiful palette. I'm super excited. Okay, guys, so So that's everything I got in my ipsy bag, but I did add on 2 things. So the 2 things I added on was this sponge, because I needed like a sponge for under my eyes. Yes, and it's so squishy, and it's pink, it's cute. And I added on these brightening full face masks. So this one's pineapple, and this one's pineapple, and this one's pear. So I'm super excited. I love everything I got in this month's ipsy bag. I didn't look on the website to see what I got. I literally just let it ship to my house because I wanted to open it up and be surprised with you guys. So, I mean, besides the 2 add-ons, I mean, they asked if I wanted anything added on. I clicked these 2, I got them, and then I shut it off. So guys, you guys are ready to see the bag? Because I'm in love with this bag. Ready? You sure? Are you sure? Boom. Look at this bag, guys. It's perfect for the beach, right? And it's my favorite color. I love blue. As you can tell, my eyes are blue. I have blue on, and my foot has a blue puzzle piece on it. So I love blue. So let's see if everything fits in it. I just want to see. I'm weird like that. I just like to see if everything fits in it, because everything I get in my ipsy bag, that's everything I use. And then I use the bag for like when I go out. I know we're in quarantine, but when I go out and about with like my sister, my boyfriend, my friends, I always take the month ipsy bag that I got, and I take it with me in my purse. So, oh wait. The only thing that I'm not going to put in there are the face masks, because those are going to stay home, because I'm going to use them at home. Look guys, yay! Everything fits, and it's perfect, literally. This is so much fun. If you guys want to see me do monthly unboxings for my ipsy bag, comment below and just let me know. Let me know if you guys like ipsy, if you guys tried ipsy, whatever the case may be. I want to know. Let your girl know. Like, I love ipsy. Again, not sponsored, but ipsy, if you ever see this video, I love you guys, and I love your products, and I love the surprise every month. So this bag is amazing. All right, so before we go, they gave me a little card. It says make waves, and inside, well, on the top it says summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe of bright gloss, and go full bold for you. Break out the beauty run and create a splash. To get the 101 products, head to ipsy.com. And then it says, here comes the sun. 5 tips for maximizing your SPF. And it gives you like little tips. Like, that's so awesome. Alright guys, this was so exciting. It was like I love unboxing my ipsy bags. If you guys seen, I always did it with my little bags, but since I haven't done one in a while, I figured why not spread the awesomeness of what I got with you guys, right? So that's really it for this video. If you guys want to see more of me unboxing my ipsy videos, and if you guys want to see more of, like, if you guys want to see me taking my July whatever ipsy bag I unbox and make a full face with it on camera with you guys, comment below. Make sure you guys go head over to my Instagram, a little slice of rye. Head over to my Twitter. I'm always on there. I'm always trying to like do different things with you guys. But that is it for this video. I really hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. I love you guys. I love making YouTube videos, and it's just so much fun. So before I go, I have to say my makeup looks bomb right now, and I'm so excited. And my hair, I mean, this weather got my hair like blah, but my makeup looks bomb. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. If you like this video, again, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want to see me do an August unboxing, comment below. If you guys want to see me take all these goodies and put them on my face, comment below. And I will see you guys in the next one. I love you guys.